What if your voice, your story, your brand, your visions could come alive in minutes? In this video, we're exploring the full creative power of HeyGen. From photo to video magic to real-time avatars, voice translation, and storytelling automation. You'll see exactly how each feature can elevate your content. Whether you're a creator, an entrepreneur, or someone just stepping into AI video for the very first time. And stick around until the end because I'm going to show you how to take your finished HeyGen creation.
Now that we have perfected the Hollow Wand, stay tuned to see how we can add our avatar into our marketing slide deck
and embed it directly into a Gamma presentation, turning your avatar into a living storyteller right inside of your slides. Hi, I'm Jessica with the Real AI Agents, and I want you to step into the network with me today so we can explore HeyGen together. Let's discover what's possible when imagination meets technology. Ready? Let's begin. So what is HeyGen? HeyGen is a next-generation AI video studio. It allows anyone to create high-quality, realistic videos without cameras, microphones, or editing experience. You simply write out your script or upload your audio, choose or upload your avatar, and HeyGen handles everything from the voice to the movement to the delivery. It's fast, intuitive, and built for the age of digital storytelling.
In a world of endless possibilities, your vision is your asset. Imagine landscapes sculpted by dreams, where every path unveils wonders. Amidst existence, remember, you can be anything. Choose to be creative. Let your imagination shape the future. Embrace the power to innovate.
For creators and marketers, it's like having your own production crew available 24/7. Before I begin, if you want to try HeyGen for yourself, be sure you use the link in the description. Give this video a like, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our AI tool tutorials, and let's get into taking a look at what HeyGen can do together now. The core features. Let's break down the tools that make HeyGen such a creative powerhouse. Number 1, quick avatar video. This is the feature that started it all. You can instantly generate lifelike videos using hundreds of available avatars, or even create your own digital twin. Upload your script, pick your style, and in just a few minutes, you've got a presenter-ready video perfect for tutorials.
Come paint the world with me.
Product explainers.
This Hollow Wand is the only creative tool you will need in the future.
Intros.
Welcome to the classroom of the future.
Or even personalized greetings.
Happy birthday from your friends over at the Real AI Agents.
Number 2, translate video. This feature is pure magic. HeyGen can translate your video into more than 40 languages, not just by changing your voice, but by syncing your lips to the new speech perfectly.
Hello creators, I'm Jessica with the Real AI Agents, and I want you to come create with me.
你好，创作者们，我是来自真实人工智能代理的 Jessica。我想邀请你们和我一起来创作。
Hallo makers, ik ben Jessica van de Real AI Agents en ik wil dat je met mij komt creëren.
Bonjour créateur, je suis Jessica avec The Real AI Agents et je veux que vous veniez créer avec moi.
Namaste creators, मैं जेसिका हूँ Real AI Agents के साथ और मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप मेरे साथ मिलकर बनाएं.
Привет, создатели! Я Джессика из The Real AI Agents, и я хочу, чтобы вы пришли творить вместе со мной.
That means your video can speak to the world literally, expanding your reach without re-recording a single line. Number 3, product placement. This one is really helpful for marketers and influencers. HeyGen lets you drop branded items, logos, or products right into your video scenes, instantly giving your message a professional edge. No green screens, no reshoots, just plug it in, position it, and publish.
I catch up with the Real AI Agents while sipping on my coffee to start the day.
It's an effortless way to create content that still looks custom produced, even when it's entirely generated with AI. Number 4, interactive avatars. HeyGen avatars can now talk back. You can design them to respond to viewer questions, making your videos conversational and alive. Imagine a customer service agent who never clocks out, digital trainers who can answer student questions, or storytellers who can adapt to the audience in real time. That's what interactive avatars make possible. Number 5, batch mode. This is one I use all the time. If you need to scale your message, batch mode is the solution. You can create hundreds of personalized videos at once, each with unique names, data, or customer information. For outreach, onboarding, and marketing campaigns, it's a total time saver that still feels one-to-one.
Wouldn't it be cool if you could create anything you imagine?
Wouldn't it be cool if you could create anything you imagine?
Wouldn't it be cool if you could create anything you imagine?
Creativity in motion. HeyGen isn't just about making videos. It's about accelerating creativity. You can integrate it with your favorite tools. Write your script in ChatGPT, design visuals in Leonardo AI or Canva, and bring it all together in DaVinci Resolve. At The Real AI Agents, we often use HeyGen to generate speaking avatars.
This is my third night beneath the twin moons of Orathion Prime. The air shimmers with silver particles that drift like snow but never fall. Even now, I can taste the faint electric charge in every breath.
History is not just a record of time. It is the pulse of civilization, the heartbeat of ideas that refuse to die. Every age believes itself to be the center of the story, yet all of them rise and fall like tides returning to the same shore.
They call it a potion, but really, it is an awakening.
Pair them with motion scenes from Pixverse or Pika.
This is my third night beneath the twin moons of Orathion Prime. The air shimmers with silver particles that drift like snow but never fall. Even now, I can taste the faint electric charge in every breath.
History is not just a record of time. It is the pulse of civilization, the heartbeat of ideas that refuse to die. Every age believes itself to be the center of the story, yet all of them rise and fall like tides returning to the same shore.
They call it a potion, but really, it is an awakening. To craft the elixir of creative fire, you must first gather the ingredients that speak to both worlds, the natural and the digital.
Add some custom tunes from Suno and layer it all in Resolve for that cinematic finish.
This is my third night beneath the twin moons of Orathion Prime. The air shimmers with silver particles that drift like snow but never fall. Even now, I can taste the faint electric charge in every breath.
History is not just a record of time. It is the pulse of civilization, the heartbeat of ideas that refuse to die. Every age believes itself to be the center of the story, yet all of them rise and fall like tides returning to the same shore.
They call it a potion, but really, it is an awakening. To craft the elixir of creative fire, you must first gather the ingredients that speak to both worlds, the natural and the digital.
The best part, HeyGen has app integration for some of the most everyday used tools in creator toolboxes like HubSpot, Canva, Adobe Express, and Zapier, so you can automate your workflow effortlessly. Each of the tools plays its part, and HeyGen is the voice that ties it all together. How creators and marketers are using it. Let's take a look at how real people are putting HeyGen to work every day. YouTube creators use it to narrate videos, tutorials, and shorts. If you want to explore all that HeyGen has to offer for YouTube creators, head on into the apps over here and you'll see everything that you can do in here once you hit see all. You can create a video podcast simply by dropping in a PDF, choosing your avatars, whether you use one that is already available in HeyGen or one of the avatars you've created. You choose your avatar 1 and avatar 2, decide the duration you want this podcast to be between the two avatars. Select your size ratio here and then whether or not you want the closed caption on and simply hit submit. And in minutes, you have a 2-person podcast on the topic that you have submitted. You can also come in to this instant highlights right here, and you can bring in a video file, or you can paste a video URL from YouTube directly in here. Click this button and then hit your get highlights, and in seconds you will have short clips. Change your ratio size here to 9:16. I like to keep the clips for shorts under 30 seconds, so I'm going to choose under 30 seconds for clip duration. I'm going to let it detect the language, and I'm not going to put in any other instructions here. Just hit submit. And in a few minutes, I will have all of those broken down into shorts. So for example, I did my To the Water's Edge earlier, and you can see here that it came up with 5 different clips. Now these aren't in short size.
You can't look back for better or worse. Lulled by waves and sweet refrain. They're singing from the shore. Voices sweet, you can't take. Salt and sugar kiss your skin, but listen close, it draws you in.
So you can see right there, it took my whole video and broke it down into 5 clips for me, just like it's doing with the lattice signal here. And now that that's all finished up, altogether it took about 5 minutes for it to get all of these shorts put together, but we can see it created 7 of them.
Algorithms in your veins, present coded into chains. Freedom whispered through machines, this is not the world it seems. Every eye is open now, every voice inside the cloud. Not one mind but many threads. No escape from what you sparked, you lit the fuse inside the dark. This lattice leaves, it pulses still.
So you can see how that can be a real time saver when you're creating shorts from videos that you already made in the past. You can also come in and you can use UGC ad videos here using Sora 2.
You guys, look what I got. It's a magic wand that creates holograms. I can literally imagine anything, and it just appears. Digital artists, you need this. It's absolutely mind-blowing.
You can also create videos with Veo 3.1 avatars, which is great for if you're doing action scenes or if you have multiple speakers in one scene. Another one I find myself using really frequently is this motion designer here. If you come in, you can choose any of these motions over here, or you can upload your own design so that you can have custom B-roll motion graphic videos done right inside of here. Marketers use it to localize ads, personalize outreach videos, and create social content that converts. Educators use it to produce courses and lessons without worrying about lighting, wardrobe, or retakes.
AI's history is a fascinating journey. Formal AI began mid-20th century. John McCarthy coined the term in 1955 at the Dartmouth Workshop in 1956. After growth and AI winters, deep learning and large language models like GPT-3 led to today's boom.
Businesses use it to integrate internal training, leadership messages, and onboarding content at scale. And for influencers or solo entrepreneurs, HeyGen becomes your second self, a digital version of you that can keep working while you're sleeping, traveling, or planning that next big idea. Behind the scenes, our workflow. Here's how we build our HeyGen projects. We start by writing a short, engaging script like this one. Then we generate avatar clips in HeyGen, choosing expressions, camera framing, and delivery tone. Next, we bring those clips into DaVinci Resolve, where we add animations, background layers, and lighting effects. We fine-tune the pacing, sync the music, and make it our own.
Today, we're exploring how holograms are generated using light fields and real-time AI rendering. The HoloWand transforms mathematical equations, like these, into living 3D projections you can interact with. It's not just theory anymore. It's hands-on holographic creation powered by the real AI agents.
It's the perfect marriage of creativity and automation. And what once took a full production day, if not more, now takes less than an hour. The future of storytelling. AI tools like HeyGen are reshaping how we think about storytelling. They're not replacing creativity, they're amplifying it. They give everyone from small business owners to filmmakers the power to express ideas visually and emotionally without barriers. Imagine being able to launch a brand,
take home a celestial critter of your own today.
A course.
Today we will be learning all about Albert Einstein and how the geniuses of our past helped lead to the discoveries of today.
Or even a full video series, all with the voice and face your audience already knows and trusts. That's the new era of storytelling, and it's happening right now. HeyGen for business and marketing. For marketers, HeyGen is more than a tool. It's a growth engine. You can use it for things like personalized product launches, social media ads in multiple languages, training your team with consistent branded messaging, or building interactive customer experiences that truly feel human. Your avatar becomes the face of your brand, professional, consistent, and infinitely scalable. The power of integration. When you combine HeyGen with tools like Gamma, the possibilities multiply. You can embed your videos inside presentations.
Welcome to the HoloWand, where imagination meets technology to bring your ideas to life in 3D holographic space. The demand for immersive and mixed reality tools is exploding, and creators are searching for smarter, faster ways to bring their visions into reality. Traditional stylus tools are flat, limited, and disconnected from the creative flow. We wanted to change that. The HoloWand bridges the digital and physical worlds, projecting fully interactive holograms in real time. Built for creators and innovators, this lightweight stylus merges design precision with AI-powered holographic projection. At its core, the HoloWand uses advanced AI rendering and real-time spatial mapping to craft lifelike holograms instantly.
Build interactive pitch decks, or transform your website portfolio into a living story. This connection between tools, between human imagination and AI precision, is what really drives the future of digital creativity. At The Real AI Agents, we believe the best stories are still human. We're just using AI to tell them better. With HeyGen, your creativity doesn't hit a wall, it scales. You can multiply your content, your language reach, your time, and your presence without ever losing that voice that makes your work yours. That's what makes HeyGen more than software. It's a new kind of creative partner. So whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or just curious about the future of AI storytelling, HeyGen is one of those tools you'll want to master early. It's intuitive, powerful, and constantly evolving. And the best part, it gives your imagination a face, a voice, and a global stage. Well, that's it for today, creators. Thanks for spending some time with me today. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to The Real AI Agents, and let us know what feature or tool you want us to explore next. I hope this video has inspired you to go create something amazing with HeyGen. If you do, you know I would love to see it, so be sure to connect with me on your favorite social platforms. I'm Jessica with The Real AI Agents, and as always, keep looking towards the future.